Last week at the JEM Systems headquarters in Phoenix, we proudly wrapped up another successful BDA training week. The first 2 days were all about building a strong foundation with the Fiplex by Honeywell BDA hands-on certification, led by our instructor, Allan.
BDA week is critical. We're trying to not only get people to understand the needs for BDAs, but the best practices on how to install them and how to maintain them.
On day 3, participants learned best practices for BDA commissioning tests with PCTEL. To wrap it up on the final day, instructor Bradley led everyone through a hands-on scanning experience around our facility.
Hi, I'm Bradley Ponder with PCTEL. I'm here at JEM Systems in Phoenix, Arizona for BDA Training Week. They're always great here. We've got a wonderful training facility, and it's really good to have all of these technicians come from across the country to train and learn and to give this industry the dedication that it needs.
BDA experience here at JEM System has been an amazing experience so far, from guidance to questions to having hands-on experience and kind of figuring out how you want to develop. Awesome experience here at JEM System in Arizona.
JEM has been a great host. It's been great to come out here and learn more about BDA systems and all the testing behind it. Both instructors, Allan and Bradley, have been great to work with. We're learning lots of great information here, and I look forward to coming back to more classes.
This week's been great. Both Allan and Bradley were very informative teachers. We've been learning about the BDA and the test procedures. It's all been very well.
We commented earlier, one of the better trainings we've had. Instructor is very knowledgeable. JEM was really supportive on the scheduling and follow-up with making sure we had all of our supporting items we needed for the course and make sure we're prepared for it.
It was an intensive week focused on mastering in-building communication systems. Because at JEM Systems, we are all about building something that matters: relationships, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to saving lives.